Today I'm going to show you how to cook broccoli in a microwave. The first thing that you'll want to do is wash the broccoli. Taking the rubber band off of the broccoli to separate the broccoli stems and crowns. You'll want to do this to maximize the cleaning power of the water. So after I take that off, I'm just going to run it under the water to rinse off anything that may be lingering on the broccoli. It's important to get all of this off. Now, if you want to remove more of the pesticides, you can do a 5-minute dip in baking soda water, where you take a couple of tablespoons of baking soda, mix it in with some water, and let it soak. Now I'm going to cut up the broccoli pieces into the appropriate size. Now, some people use a knife to do this, but I find it very easy to just use scissors. That way you're able to get at different parts of the broccoli stem and crown and cut it efficiently and in the pieces that you exactly want. And it's also a little fun cutting things up. So after you've cut up the broccoli into the appropriate pieces, you are going to stack them onto a microwave safe plate, put it inside of the microwave, and cook it for about 1 minute, 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Now, if it comes out not cooked enough, you may want to extend the time by 30 seconds, or if it's overcooked, perhaps next time decrease it by 30 seconds. And that is how you cook broccoli in a microwave.